Welcome back. Good to see you again. So now at this point, we've learned quite a few things. We're on our way to becoming great saxophonists. We've learned dynamics, tonguing, how to get a good embouchure, good tone, airstream, good posture, all the things that make up great saxophone playing. So I think you're ready to learn some new notes now. What I'd like to do is teach you a couple new notes, but we'll also review the notes that you already know. So let's start with the one that you know, the note G. Again, the first 3 fingers in the left hand down. That's the G. Again, first 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. Finger 1, 2, 3, all down. Next note, A. Lifting up that 3rd finger, you get your A. 1 and 2 are down. B, 1 note up from there. Now, the new note, it's a relatively easy note. It's 1 note up from B, the note C. Now C is the 2nd space from the top on the staff, and it's the middle finger pressed down. Just the middle finger. Where your middle finger and your left hand go, that's the key that you want to press. So again, review. G, A, B, C. Now let's get one more new note. This one's a little bit harder, but I think you guys can do it. It's the note D. It's 1 up from the C. Let's start with the left hand. So all those 3 keys are going to be pressed, but let's start with our thumb, because the thumb is going to do something here. We're actually going to press the octave key, which is that key right by the thumb rest. You're going to press that down and hold it down. Try to swivel it too. Try not to lift your whole finger up to press it, but actually swivel into it. Okay, so that's the octave key. 1, 2, 3 down. Now we're going to start using the right hand also. That's a new set of fingers that we haven't used yet. 1, 2, and 3. 3 fingers pressed down in the right hand. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. So again, octave key, 1st finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger in the left hand, right hand, 1st finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger. Now that's the D. Now let's just play these notes all by themselves, one at a time. Again, review the G, and then the A, the B, the C, and the D. We'll review them all. G, now A, now B, now our new note, C, middle finger, and D. So those are our new notes. Now let's try to play those notes with some tempo. We've thought about rhythm and tempo with our songs in the past and some other things that we've done. So now let's put this into tempo. We're going to think half notes in 4/4 time, meaning 4 counts per measure. Half notes going up the scale. So this is the first part of the major scale, of a G major scale. We're going to do that. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Now let's try it again, going up and then going back down. The same half notes, but we're going to go backwards all the way up to the D and then back down to the G. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, so I assume that's coming along now. Let's try it now using quarter notes. Remember the quarter notes? 1 beat per note. Okay, let's go up and then we'll go up and back down. So we're going to do it 2 times. 1 just going up, and then 1 round trip. 1, 2, ready, play. Now let's go from the bottom, up and back down. 1, 2, ready, play. Always think about good tone when you're doing this. Think about your airstream. Keep the fingers nice and light near the keys. And see if you can mess around with these new notes. Try to come up with some songs. Find some songs that you haven't played yet. You're on your way to really getting into it, and learning more songs is great. Keep at it.